Apple has finally added a built-in option to customize the clock on the Mac's lock screen in macOS 27 Golden Gate. While the available customization options are still limited compared to the iPhone, you can still change how the clock looks, choose where it appears, and even adjust its thickness to better match your wallpaper or personal style. Before we get started, make sure your Mac is updated to macOS 27 Golden Gate or a newer version, because this option isn't available on older macOS releases. Once that's confirmed, you're ready to customize the clock in just a few clicks. To begin, right-click anywhere on your desktop and choose Change Wallpaper. This will take you directly to the wallpaper settings. If you prefer, you can also open System Settings, scroll down, and select Wallpaper from the sidebar. Both methods lead to the same place, so you can use whichever is more convenient. Once you're in the wallpaper settings, look on the right side of the window and click Clock Appearance. Here you'll find all the available clock customization options. The first setting lets you decide where the clock should appear. You can display it only on the lock screen, or choose to show the same clock style on both the screensaver and the lock screen. Pick whichever option matches the way you use your Mac. Next, you'll see the available clock styles. Simply click on different styles to preview them instantly. At the moment, Apple only offers a few built-in designs, so the customization options are somewhat limited. Hopefully, future macOS updates will include more styles. Below that, you'll also find the clock weight option. This lets you make the clock text appear thinner for a cleaner look, or thicker if you want it to stand out more against your wallpaper. As you move the slider, the preview updates immediately, making it easy to see which style looks best. Once you've chosen your preferred clock style and weight, there's nothing else you need to save. Your changes are applied automatically and will appear the next time you view your lock screen or screensaver, depending on the option you selected. That's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to TechDeets for more Mac tips, iPhone tutorials, and the latest tech guides. Thanks for watching.